Every modern web browser includes a powerful suite of developer tools. And having these tools that help to develop, test, and debug your websites is essential for web development. These tools do a range of things, from inspecting currently loaded files to giving an access to the internal workings of the web browser and web apps. By using these tools, you can increase your work speed and productivity several times. You can do everything from testing the viewport on your mobile device to editing pages on the fly and diagnose problems quickly. Let's take Chrome Developer Tools as an example. You can enter Chrome Dev Tools from Chrome menu by clicking More Tools and then choose Developer Tools. So now we have this open. You can put it to the bottom if you want or open them in a new window. You can do that by using this menu in here. Look on the tab right here. It allows you to look on your website on different devices and different sizes. For example, if I want to see how the website looks on iPhone, we can do that by choosing this device here. You can also change it from portrait to landscape. So it's a nice way to test your website responsiveness. Now look on the Elements panel. Here you can see an HTML code, and down here we've got a CSS or whatever is selected here. So when I hover over an element, it highlights it in the browser. You can drag and drop elements in the inspector to live change their positioning on the page. Down here you can see the styles that are applied to the currently selected element. It also shows the name of the file where it comes from and the line of code in this file. You can edit here HTML and CSS, you can add text, edit styles, delete elements and do any changes you need. And look on this table. This is the box model of the selected element. It helps you to figure out margins, paddings, border, and dimensions at a quick glance. The second important feature of the Dev Tools is the console panel. The console serves mainly two purposes. First is executing custom JavaScript. As you see, there is a blinking cursor where you can type any JavaScript and it will be executed. The second purpose of the console is error reporting. Here it shows any error, warning, or information that happens while rendering the page. If you click an error message in the DevTools console, the Sources tab opens and you have the option to use a full-featured JavaScript debugger. Next is the Network panel. It allows you to see all the connections that the browser must process while rendering a page. You can see here a toolbar where you can set up some options and filter a loading graph of the page as a whole, every single request, time, size, and other details, and the summary of the total request, the total size of the page, and some timing indications right here in the footer. The Application panel, it tells you what information is stored inside the browser relative to your website. This tab also gives you tools to inspect and debug progressive web apps. The Security panel gives you all the information that deals with the security of the connection to the website. If there is any problem with the HTTPS connection, if the website is served over TLS, it will provide you more information about what's causing it. Audits panel helps to find and solve some issues relative to performance and, in general, the quality of the experience that users have when accessing the website. Memory panel helps to fix memory problems. Performance panel helps to improve load and runtime performance. It's just a short overview of the main tabs, but there are a lot of other useful things that you can do in browser. There are a lot of features and you can add even more through extensions. Please write in comments what browser do you use. Do you use Chrome Developer Tools? And if you want to be the first to watch such free educational videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good week and see you next Tuesday.